अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज एक केरला स्टाइल इजी चिकन रोस्ट बना लेते हैं। एंड दिस रेसिपी ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी कुकिंग इन अ मड पॉट। आई लव मड पॉट्स, द टेस्ट इटसेल्फ इज़ डिफरेंट। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil to a clay pot, and when the oil becomes hot, add 1 large onion sliced and fry it golden brown. I have used coconut oil, but you can use sunflower oil as well. But the aroma that the coconut oil gives out is very good. Chalo. So while the onions are frying, let's grind some ingredients to a fine paste. To a mixie jar, add 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 2 each of cinnamon, cloves and cardamom, half a teaspoon of haldi, salt to taste, an inch piece of ginger, 10 to 12 peppercorns, 1 teaspoon chilli powder. Add a little water and grind to a fine paste. Now once the onions are fried, remove to a plate and keep aside. To the same mud pot, there would be a little oil remaining. Add another tablespoon of coconut oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 2 finely chopped tomatoes and continue sauteing till the tomatoes become soft. Meanwhile, apply the ground masala to half a kg of cleaned, washed and drained chicken and keep aside for at least half an hour. Also pulse the fried onions in a mixie jar. Just once or twice you can pulse, or you can crush it with your hand as well. Now to the sauteed tomatoes, add the marinated chicken and continue saute cooking. To this also add the crushed fried onions and mix. Add a cup of hot water, mix again. Cook on high for 1 boil and then cover and cook on low flame till the chicken is done and the water has almost dried up. Once done, garnish with coriander leaves. This gravy is suitable for rotis, appam, ghee rice, putta, etc. So don't forget to try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Mud pot, the link to the mud pots are also given. If you wish to purchase, please click on the link. Thank you for watching.